Action.
GTI? Shit. Oh sheesh, bruh. Is that a fucking Volkswagen GTI? Shit. Oh my god, is that an Adam LZ? LZMFG sticker? Dude, 20 horsepower. Plus the ability to drift like a god. We got a problem. Brown, chicka brown cow. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy. My name's Chris. If you're new here, we do Mk7 GTI content. We do Mark 6 Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join the family. We're on that journey, on the grind to 1,000 subscribers. That's an intro, baby. It feels so good to be back. I'm hyped. All right. So today we're going over to Cole's, that Carbon Mk7 GTI. We're gonna go over there. He got a new Stage 2 tune from EQ Tuning, as well as he has a DSG, so he got the ECU and TCU tune, and we're gonna go take care of that and have some fun, go rip, and just have a great day. It's beautiful out, bro. The weather is amazing. Let's get a juicy cold start. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's beautiful here. I'm hyped. I'm feeling amazing. I've been tanking water like a fucking horse. Alright, let's go! Oh, welcome to the cabin! Got a little battery in the GoPro, so we'll just film that on the way there at least. Oh my god. We drove the Jetta all day yesterday, so I'm in need of some loudness. You dig? Ooh, ooh yeah. Woo! I love this thing so much. Ah! Wide enough, baby. I missed you guys, bro. Feels good to be back on track. We are on that grind to 1,000 subscribers. Do you even wide open throttle, my guy? They're like trying to put in 2 roundabouts and they're replacing lights here, and it's like a fucking disaster, dude. Jesus, everything is so tore up. We have arrived. Let's go say hello. Oops. Oh, what's up, bro? Remember that time I almost died in the hospital? Yeah. Jesus Christ. Yo, sheesh. Is that 11.9 volts? Whoa. Damn, is that an equilibrium tune? I like how I went like way out of my way to like thoroughly detail the car, and then we drove to Boston. Yo, is this an equilibrium tuned GTI? A little bit roadier. Oh. Yeah, it'll sound a little different. Oh, shit! Yes, sir! Okay! Is this, on our photo mode? No! No! Ooh, shit! Yes, sir! Oh! Let's go. Oh, we'll definitely have to get flybys.
Yeah, for sure.
This guy.
Yeah, this guy.
I'm gonna raise my blazer.
She rips.
Golly.
Jesus. Jesus.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference here.
Well, zero gravity?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
This is fire.
So, how's your experience so far?
Yeah, this is amazing.
It's so sick. Let's go. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button, bro. It's like the thing where like you get the sport with burbles and then you just drive around in sport for like a month straight. Oh shit! Yeah! Let's go! It sounds so good. I was saying it's like that thing where you get the burbles in sport and you just drive around in sport for like a month straight. You're like, oh yes.
Yeah, definitely gonna be doing that.
Sounds so good. Oh yo, is that a Subi? Oh, it's Caleb.
Hey.
What's up, dog?
God, it pulls so good.
Yeah, it does, dude, it rips. Yo, chill. Yo, you want to be on YouTube?
I'm not gonna put it
my
in sport
guy.
mode right now. Ooh, he is in his car. Oh shit.
We're just chilling, bro. Oh, key boy.
Those people's faces.
Let's go. That was good.
People definitely like hate you after that, but whatever.
You got here?
Yeah, I'm gonna I'll be back around like 4.
Oh, Cole had to run in renew his license, I think. Not sure. So we came back to the house. Now we're back in the car. Now we're gonna go back and rip. Yo, she fucking hauls, bro. Oh my god. Yo, dump truck trying to run it.
That's fucking funny.
Bro, it's so good. Let's go. It's just like so ridiculous.
Yeah,
Let's go. Yo, from a distance, it sounds crazy.
Really?
Like from back here, when you were coming back this way,
Right.
it sounded so crazy. Just kind of
Keep
it chill for a minute.
Yeah, until we get out of town.
Yeah.
Out of the quiet area.
And then we'll see what she do.
Jesus Christ. It is so much crazier.
Oh yeah. She gonna be wild. Just wait.
Jesus Christ.
Let her get warmed up a little bit.
Yeah. That's crazy though. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
It's funny because it gets louder.
Yeah, that's
When
insane.
it warms up. Oh man.
It's a literal gun. Oh my God. It's a fucking gun, dude.
Oh yeah, no, it literally is.
This guy works at my work. Oh Lord.
Let's go. Why is that like the word of the day? Isn't that what that fucking
Vroom,
kid said
vroom.
on the green?
You're right.
It's like vroom vroom.
It's just crazy.
It's honestly so obnoxious.
Holy shit. What
Bro, I
the
told you.
fuck?
I didn't see that cop there. That's so bad.
Where is he?
Right here.
Oh shit.
We're just chilling. He didn't hear it. Oh my God.
She rips. Oh shit. God damn, bro. That is crazy.
Smiling.
People give you such assholes at dinner too, bro.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Dude, it's stock. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Shit, bro. I can't imagine from behind how loud this is.
So loud, dude.
Jesus
It's gotta be
Christ.
insane. Wowza.
Jenkins.
Strips.
Oh. Yo, that was sick. Shout out to Cole. Thanks for letting me rip with you, homie. As always, a pleasure. Yo, we sent it with the burble tune for the day. That was sick. I got a flashback to the clean tune because it's just like too much, bro, you know? It's just too much sauce. I'm not trying to get called in all the time. But that was super good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go down there, hit that like button. Don't forget, if you're new here, go ahead to the subscribe button. Join the family. We're on that road to 1,000, baby. I think we're at like 730 this morning, which is sick. Who are you saying chop chop to?
You! I'm fucking hungry.
Cutie. What's good? I forgot to film an outro for this video, so I'm doing that right now. We got Chinese food. We ripped. We had a great time, as always. We had an amazing time. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go down there and hit that thumbs up button. Your boy is out. I'll catch you in the next one.